management for organizing such a good event, that is the open house. And I believe such an initiative will go a long way in instilling a sense of confidence in all the students, and will also encourage creativity, and at the same time it will also bring in a sense of leadership.
For the students' open house function, so it was a really good experience and all. Good to see students improving and giving their skills out to the best.
A very nice initiative taken by BDW to actually develop the students, develop their oratory skills, develop their presentation skills, and basically soft skills, as we know, are very important in today's world. Apart from the technical knowledge, apart from the academics which they have.
The students have done very well. All the projects, all the demonstrations were very, very, very good. And the students, they really looked very confident.